Hello, my name is Greg Paul and welcome to this week's 1 Minute Dynamic Business Tip. Today I want to talk to you about customers and choosing your customers. Have you got clients and customers that you love to do business with? That you know if you go above and beyond and you help them, that they're going to help you back because they're partners in your business? Or do you have clients and customers that no matter what you do, they never seem to be happy and you always have to do more and they seem to suck everything out of your business? Well, let's face it, your customers are partners in your business as well. So you should be choosing your customers the same as you might choose staff or suppliers or even executives in your business. So what I would recommend is have in place some policies that determine what is the right customer for your business. And never break those policies. And the way to achieve that is to promote. Really promote your business. Have many people coming in that are prospective clients. Because the more you have coming in, the easier it gets when the client is not going to help you to say no. It becomes harder when you're promoting less. So promote a lot. Have some policies in place that determine who are the right clients for your business. Don't accept the wrong clients and don't break those policies. And then deliver everything you can to help the clients that you've chosen. And finally, expect them to deliver back to you. If you need any help, give us a call. Thanks for listening.